boiler's shorting out. So we've unplugged the boiler and it doesn't short out now. So it's obviously the element that's the problem. So I'm going to take the element out and have a look, see what's happening with it.
I can barely see it now.
So we've got the thermostat out, which was not an easy job because of the amount of pipe work and the length of it. It just wouldn't come out. So we've had to undo the tank, we've had to pull it backwards and tilt it to get this out. Now the problem we've got now is that we've got to get the element out, and the element is longer than this is,
and it's tucked in there,
and it's right in there, so we're not too sure if we're going to be able to do it or not. That will move.
So just trying to locate the pipes, know where they all go. So we've got the outlet for drainage out into the bilge, so we know which one that is. We've got two black pipes coming from the engine.
This is always the biggest problem, getting these off.
So disconnected the power cable.
Yeah, this was one that goes straight to the boiler.
Where was that
so
attached?
The power comes in from the shore, comes up into this socket, and then this boiler plugs into the socket and into the thermostat.
So where do those cables connect to? Those three cables?
These three cables connect to the thermostat.
That's what I thought. I won't say that again.
This one's a hot.
Coming from, or going to the taps?
No, this is coming from the boiler.
Yeah, going to
out
the
to the taps and the shower. And then you've got the cold one that runs at the bottom there. The cold water in.
Which one's cold? I can't see it.
This one here. This one.
I see.
That's the hot water off, and the cold one is right behind all these pipes here.
That's handy.
There, look.
So where's this water coming from then?
Well, this is the drain for the boiler. So all the water that was in the boiler now is draining out into the bilge.
So we borrowed some clamps from the guys in the marina, just because we didn't have a box spanner, so we managed to get hold of one of these from the guys, which is very helpful.
Oh, I thought it'd be more than that.
Well, normally everything's coated in limescale in Turkey, and the water we get from marinas and things, you never quite know what you're getting. But actually, that's pretty impressive.
It is actually.
And if that's never been out in 8 years, that is amazing.
It is.
Well, that was a job and a half, wasn't it?
Mm.
Bit like everything on a boat, it's tucked away in places that you can't get to, and all the connections are tight. But hey, what a good job. Well, we're off again on our travels. Where are we going this time?
We're going to Izmir this time.
Izmir. And we're actually going up there to a big chandler's. So, what we're here for?
Element for the boiler and our engine mounts.
Mounts.
What are you looking for then?
Now we need drinks canisters or beakers that don't fall over. Actually, that's not a bad idea, because it will fit in the slot that we've got.
It's a bit top heavy, isn't it? Got the new element that came. Well, we've picked it up today from Good Luck they had it delivered there. Looks the same, everything fits by the look of it. We didn't actually buy the thermostat in the end because we thought we'd try the element first. So we're going to put that back in.
So how much was the element?
The element was 70, you're shaking your head.
No, it was 60.
60 something euros.
It was €56 and then a bit of VAT on top.
So 60 euros. But to buy that in Didham, that was 99 euros. So,
and that was at the actual marina in
and
Didham.
that was the marina, yeah. So we've saved a bit there.
Yeah, so €30 difference just by going up to Izmir, and mind you, we spent
Yeah,
€30 on the hotel getting up there instead. But
yeah,
it's good to see that they send you stuff down to the marina, and that's really good.
we're just hoping that the thermostat's alright, or it's probably been a waste of time putting the element in. But
we can buy a thermostat locally for the same
yeah,
price.
we can get the thermostat easily.
That was a good bit.
I'm going to drop that in. There's two seals on it. There's an O-ring and a normal rubber seal. The O-ring fits inside that chamfered edge, and I assume the other one just fits on top. So we're going to push that in, tighten it up and see what happens. See if it leaks.
I hasten to add there is no water in the system, so it won't leak for a while.
There is a bit. We can get it all out. It's got to go that way around. It can't go any other way, can it?
So it has two little metal.
Yeah, two connectors.
Well, hopefully. Well, it'll be easy to get it on now, wouldn't it? So, what are the cables?
Got brown, which is live, and blue, which is negative, and then you've got earth on there. This has been done before. Seven.
So what are you doing plugging it in if there's no water in it?
Well, it doesn't matter if it's water in. I just want to check that the element's okay.
So the element was shorting the circuit?
Yeah. So really, what we think it was. So theoretically it should. You ready?
It works. The light hasn't gone out.
Cool.
Excellent job. So in fact, it turned out to be a cheaper job than we thought. We thought it was going to be quite a big problem.
One of us are going to have to pull up the back, and I'll have to hold it. Yeah, I know, but sure. No, I've got to put these down at the same time. Let's go forward now. Well, there's no water rushing out, but
There wasn't a great deal in it. So the tubing it out to the bilge to empty it, you've reattached.
yep, we reattached that. We've reattached the cooling system pipe that comes from the engine, which is this one. We've reconnected the hot and cold. We don't seem to have any leaks out of the boiler, but we haven't got any water in yet.
Well, we've got a dribble in there, as you say, so... Like everything else on the boat, it's in a small space where you're going to hurt yourself normally. Scratches everywhere. What's the noise?
The pump.
So we're filling it with water. Got water in the taps. With a little bit of luck, there'll be no leaks.
Haven't got anything running, have we?